Okay, z is the midpoint of RT, and we know what each segment measures. 8x minus 10 for RZ, and ZT is 150. Since they are split right there at z equally, we know then that 8x minus 10 is equal to 150. So then we can just solve for x. And we find that x equals 20, which is the first thing that they asked for. And so we can eliminate answers A and B because they don't have x equals 20. And now we need to sub it in and see what we get. They want to know what RZ is. RZ measures 8x minus 10, or 8 times 20 minus 10, which is 160 minus 10, or 150. And that matches with what we know because we know that these two amounts are equal, so it's got to equal 150. Okay? So we then say RZ is 150 as well. That eliminates D, so we know that we're going to get C. And let's just check the final thing, that they want to know the whole length RT. We already know that ZT was 150. We now found that RZ was also 150, so the whole thing is 300. And that is answer C. Okay, so what is the midpoint of AE? Well, to find the midpoint, what we're going to do is we're going to average the two endpoints. So we have negative 6 for A plus 8 for E, and we're going to divide those by 2 to find that midpoint. And negative 6 plus 8 is 2, divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have a midpoint at 1. And what's at 1? Point D. So we know that point D must be it. When you're finding the midpoint on a number line, you average the endpoints by adding them together and dividing by 2. Okay, so T is the midpoint of SU, segment SU. And what that means then is that we have two equal amounts, and therefore 9x is equal to 5x plus 28. And then we can subtract 5x from both sides, and we can solve for x, dividing by the coefficient. We get x equal to 7, okay? And they want to know what are the lengths of the segments. So we say ST measures 9x, or 9 times 7. Therefore, ST measures 63. And if we did it right, we will find that TU, which is 5x plus 28, should also equal that same amount. That's 35 plus 28. And 35 plus 28 indeed does equal 63. Okay? So ST is 63, TU is 63, and since SU is the sum of the two of them, we just add 63 plus 63, and we get 126. And we should have then ST is 63, TU is 63, and SU is 126, which is answer D.